Guys, do I have a treat for you? Today we are doing a walkthrough on the Wildcat 333RLBS with the outside kitchen, pass-through storage, and plenty of space inside. Also, don't forget it's going to have that 4-point auto leveling. Let's take a look. All right, guys, let's take a look at this front storage right here. All right, guys, with our dual batteries, we have our light up top and then plenty of space for any of those extra items we need to bring on that trip. All right, guys, one of those features that I was mentioning is we have our dual Solaire 12-volt awnings. One of the great features about these awnings, it used to be you would have to hand crank it in if you were getting rain so you could drain it off. Well, these guys will collapse, drain the rain off, and then pop right back out. All right, guys, of course, we're gonna have right here our dual propane tanks, one on this side, one on our opposite side. All right, guys, right here, we're gonna have that pass-through storage. We're gonna have that Suburban Griddle. This is the griddle and your stand. It actually has a spot on the rear side of the camper for you to hook that up with your quick connect for propane. This is gonna be a storage compartment right here. And then of course you have that mini fridge. All right, guys, we have the Leopard solid steps right here. Super light, easy to come up. We have a safety feature here. You turn it. Now it is secured. That's when you would shut your door. But whenever we get to the campsite, first thing you're gonna do is you'll turn just like this. We'll grab our steps and adjust our legs to the length that we need. And now we're ready for fun. All right, guys, right here, we're actually gonna have that outside TV mount. So you're able to slide the TV off from inside, bring it out, and it slides right here. We have our power and cable hookups, and of course, we're gonna have those outside speakers. So whether it's at the tailgate or at the campsite, we got you covered. All right, guys, right here is actually the railing that your stand slides on for your griddle that we were speaking about earlier in the pass-through storage. And then, of course, your LP Quick Connect is gonna be right down there. All right, guys, we are on the back side of this Wildcat right here. There are two main things I wanna point out for you. First, we're gonna have our pre-wired Furrion camera right there. So it's already set up. All you're gonna have to do is go see one of our Camptown associates. They'll be able to put you with the right Furrion rear camera, get you all hooked up. And then the second thing, guys, we're gonna have our receiver hitch right here. So whether you need the stand for one of your kayaks, bike racks, or just an extra luggage rack, don't worry, Wildcat got you covered. All right, guys, right here, we're gonna have our Leopard electric leveling system. So just a touch of a button, we're able to handle our 4-point leveling system. And then right below that, we have our solar prep right there. All right, guys, we just took a look at the outside of the Wildcat 333RLBS. Make sure you like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions you may have. Let's go take a look at the inside. Thanks for joining us inside, guys. Right here, first, we're gonna have our tabletop. This actually extends out right there, give us more room on our table. But whenever it's time and we're done, we're able to flip it right back down so we can close this slide. As we continue on into the living room, we're gonna have our dual recliners right here with our vibration and light up seats. All right, guys, this is our Thomas Paine tri-fold rear couch. It's gonna be in this Wildcat 33RLBS. So super easy. All we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up, pop out. We want to fold down our legs. And then as soon as we do that, we'll take our back and just as easy, folds down. So super easy, plenty of space. Guys, I'm 6'4", plenty of room here. And then right here, guys, pops right back up. Just as easy, we'll grab here. Legs pop up. And then we put the cushions right back on, and then we're back to normal. All right, guys, we're gonna have our electric fireplace right here. We are able to change the color, and then also the brightness. And then if you just don't want the ambiance, you actually want some heat, we're able to do that as well and get a little toasty in here. Right above that, this is our pocket display right here. So whether it's your gaming console, maybe some movies, you're able to store those in there. And then right above this, guys, we have our Connex TV. It's not like any other system you've seen. So right here, our TV is on shocks. So we're able to open this bad boy up and plenty of storage right there behind it. So we're not losing any space in this Wildcat. As we continue on into the kitchen, guys, we're gonna have our first pantry right here. That's right, I said first pantry. So we have all this space right there. Then we have our beautiful island here. Right here, I'm gonna have my 3-burner stove. We're gonna have our gray stone oven. And then right here, of course, we're gonna have plenty of drawers and space and storage below. As we continue on, we're gonna have shelves. Plenty of storage in this Wildcat, definitely without a doubt. And then as we continue on, we're gonna have our fridge and freezer. Plenty of space in there. Storage up above. And then we get to our second pantry, guys. Remember I told you the first one, this would be our second pantry. All right, guys, as we go up the stairs, our first stop is gonna be our bathroom. We have our sink, our toilet, and then right here, guys, we're gonna have our shower. So plenty of room. I'm 6'4", guys. We have a seat in the shower, plenty of space, and plenty of headroom. All right, guys, as we come into our bedroom, first thing I want you to notice is we have this lovely bench right here. So we're able to sit down and get ready for the day, ready to have fun. But right across from me, we're gonna have this king-size bed. That right next to that, we're gonna have our thermostat control for our second AC. That's right, that Wildcat 333RLBS has dual AC, but even more than that, right here, we're gonna have our dresser. Right above that is our TV mount. So this is the mount that you will use to take off and go put for that outside TV. So whether we're having fun inside or out, Funtown and Wildcat has you covered. All right, guys, one more thing right here. This is our closet in our master bedroom. Plenty of hanging room. We have the shelves for storage, and I have one more gem I want to show you. All right, guys, in this Wildcat, I know there's been plenty of hidden gems. We got one more for you. So right next to me, this is going to be the washer dryer prepped. That's right, I said it. It's going to be prepped for a washer and dryer. So again, bringing those amenities from home on the go with you.